Nigerian Genius.
Today, this is Team SH FUTMINNA, and today is day 5 at the Nigerian Genius competition. Today, we had our presentations in the morning, as usual, and we talked on how our progress from yesterday up to today, how it went, and we also talked about what were our next plans for today and how it's going to go, our going work, our activities for today.
We got our materials and we started working with what we had yesterday. We assembled some of the structures like the motor and the mechanisms. So we started looking at each and every component that is accessible and matching them to their various physical components. So we did that arrangement. Today we are hoping on getting the main components, that is the materials which we ordered for, and we are planning on making at least a whole assembly, everything together on the board.
One of our challenges we had yesterday was our hardware and software components. We didn't have them to start our own build because of the deadline is very small and the time we have is tight. So we actually got our hardware today. The one we placed order for, we actually had the hardware today, and then today, as you can see, we started working on our prototype. Yes. So the device we are building is a medical device that is capable of monitoring patients and give vital information back to the doctor wirelessly. The device we are building is capable of sending vital information about a patient to the doctor or the nurse or any hospital personnel that is around that particular area. So what it's going to do is it's going to send the heart rate of a patient. It's going to send the heart rate status of the patient to the doctor. It's also going to send the temperature details of the patient to the doctor. And another tech we are incorporating in the device is a monitoring drip system. We noticed that most of the times in hospitals, when patients are given these drip systems, they are not the hospital personnel, the doctor or the nurses are not always around to monitor them. So we are looking for a way to put a monitoring system that is automatic, so that when the drip gets finished, it can actually cut off the tube system. And so what we're trying to do is to hold down the atmospheric pressure from going back up, because we don't want the blood from the patient to start going back up since it's actually on the vein. So we're trying to look for a mechanism using a servo that can actually grip the tubing. So by gripping it, we're going to seal it and stop the blood or whatever is between the grip and the patient's body. We're going to stop the atmospheric pressure from going back up. So that's the major feature of this device. And then from there, we are also looking on how we can also send those information that this drip system will the whole steam is empty right now, and we want you to come and check on these patients, also patients in room this, you understand. So we're trying to see how we can also send that information that we alert the doctor that the drip on the patient is finished and they should come and check on the patient. So that is one of the things we're trying to put on the majorly our challenge was trying to get hardware. So far we have been using simulation for the whole stuff, but right now we can't even see any problem that is actually feasible, because all we are doing now is putting everything together, and we are very hopeful that everything is going to work out fine by God's grace. So after the presentation today, we went to complete our welding activity, the fabrication projects or task that was given to us, and we're actually doing a fabricate an adjustable lamp stand, which you can see here. So I and my team, we went to complete it. We only made the stand, but we didn't finish it up, we didn't paint it, we didn't install the lamp stand, the lamp holder, and then the round board on it where the lamp holder is going to stay on. So today we had to fabricate the post or the stand where the lamp holder is going to be on. So we had to use the drilling machine to make those holes, and then mount the lamp holder. Also, the wires that will be going from the piping system downwards to the sockets, we had to find a way of configuring the wire to pass through. It was not an easy process anyway, so we had to team up as usual and sort out those things. As you can see, it's actually working now, so everything worked out fine, and we had to take our lamp stand to our COVID. Okay, we had a new mentor today who also joined the other mentors that have been coming around to check on how we are going, and they were actually impressed by what they saw and what they heard. We actually told them everything about our projects in case they could help us in any aspect. We actually told them. Also, we gave them the name of the project, and they asked us to also work on it. They should give a better name to it, so for confusions and stuff like that. So we said, okay, we're going to later team up to think of another name. That was one of the corrections they gave us, and we said, okay, we'll think of another name to give to the whole device. Fans out there, I want to encourage you to keep on voting for us. Your likes, your shares, your comments means a lot to us, and so far so good. What you've been doing for us is very, very good and very amazing, and we are also thanking you for the previous ones you've been doing for us. So again, we are asking, please keep it up for us till the program is ended. To CIC, I want to extend our greetings, our amazing thanks to you. You have been of help to us in our startups, I don't know how to explain it, but the whole program has been fun for us. It has been very educative, very learning. We had so many experience, and it's all because of CIC and not any other person. So we want to extend our greeting. It's from our hearts. We want to say thank you to CIC.
The Nigerian Genius.